Hmm. Tayo nakatingin. Hindi. Oh, guys. Wait lang, wait lang. Takbo, 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 takbo. Dalawa lang. Ay, lahat sila nakakagro. Kaya split ko tong ano. Wala akong ginawa eh. Ising pa rin. Patay ako, patay ako. Hold ka ba? Huwag mo nang tamamo eh. Nasa'yo, nasa'yo. Takbo, 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 takbo. Nakagod talaga eh. Kala ko isa-isa lang. Sa'yo lahat. Nakakagro sa'yo lahat. May pula ka eh. Sige lang. Sa'yo yan ah. Okay lang, okay lang. Panalo! Basic. Bagong class. Unlock. Ay, plug oh. Nice. 2v3. Dapat na-record mo yun ba eh. Sayang.
Naka-record yun.
Kailan na-record mo ba? Qualities of Night. Night of the Beast.
The night has been vanquished.
Ganda na nakuha kong ano? Relic.
After an age of struggle,
Purple.
this is a fine achievement for which I am grateful.
May cutscene ka? May cutscene ka?
Ah.
Indeed,
Meron
a
ako eh.
promising first step. However,
Grabe, nalo tayo doon. Kala ko talo na.
the Night Lord yet lives.
Clutch yung ano mo, yung revive.
Buti nga, di ako na-spam dun. Kung na-spam ako dun, wala na.
There
Kaya
are
nga eh.
others.
Tsaka buto
Too
yung
many,
stamina pa.
I am afraid. It is not yet clear what this means. But that beast left a trace. And I believe with traces
1 out of 8 boss
the
killed.
path will begin to resemble a whole. As such,
3 days.
our purpose remains unchanged. Stay the path.
Pataas ata yung
and
pataas eh.
vanquish our foes. I
Wait,
pray
wala
for
na.
your success.
3 days.